Hey there, welcome to the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in health, wellness, and science-backed solutions to help you live your best life. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in nutrition, the keto diet. But this isn't just about shedding a few pounds. Oh no, we're talking about reversing chronic health issues from autoimmune diseases to thyroid problems, and why the keto diet might just be the life-changing solution you've been searching for. So stick around because this video could literally change your life. Let's get into it. So what is the keto diet? First, a quick recap for anyone new to the keto diet. Keto, short for ketogenic, is a way of eating that shifts your body's fuel source from carbs to fats by drastically reducing carbs. We're talking less than 50 grams a day. Your body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver starts producing ketones, an alternative fuel source derived from fat. This metabolic shift has profound effects on your health, far beyond weight loss. Ketones are not only a clean and efficient energy source, but they also reduce inflammation and improve mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of your cells. And guess what? Many chronic diseases, including autoimmune and thyroid issues, are driven by inflammation and mitochondrial dysfunction. So we're already connecting the dots. And the science doesn't stop there. Ketosis can also improve insulin sensitivity, which plays a key role in regulating your hormones and energy production. This brings us to the next game-changing topic. Now let's talk about autoimmune diseases. These are conditions where your immune system, the body's defense mechanism, goes rogue and starts attacking your own tissues. Think rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and even Hashimoto's thyroiditis, a leading cause of hypothyroiditis. So what's the connection to keto? One word: inflammation. Chronic inflammation. It's a hallmark of autoimmune diseases. The standard American diet, high in sugar and processed carbs, feeds inflammation by spiking insulin and triggering immune responses. Keto flips the script. By eliminating carbs and sugar, you starve the inflammatory process. Studies show that a ketogenic diet reduces levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6. In plain English, keto turns off the fire alarm that's been blaring in your body. But there's more. By balancing blood sugar and reducing oxidative stress, keto creates an environment where your immune system can reset and start behaving properly again. That's why many people with autoimmune diseases report fewer flare-ups and even remission after adopting a ketogenic lifestyle. That's why many people with autoimmune diseases report fewer flare-ups and even remission after adopting a ketogenic lifestyle. Now let's zero in on thyroid health. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland in your neck that controls your metabolism. When it's out of balance, you feel fatigued, you have weight gain, hair loss, brain fog. Does that sound familiar? Many thyroid issues, especially hypothyroiditis, are autoimmune in nature. Enter the ketone diet. Keto helps the thyroid in two major ways. First, by lowering inflammation, it can slow down or even halt the autoimmune attack on the thyroid gland. Second, ketosis improves energy efficiency at the cellular level. This takes pressure off of your thyroid to overproduce hormones just to keep your body running. There's also evidence that ketones act as a signaling molecule, directly enhancing hormone regulation. That means better T3 and T4 hormone balance, the key players in thyroid health. But here's a pro tip. If you're dealing with thyroid issues, work with a healthcare provider to customize your keto approach. Too few carbs for too long might temporarily stress your thyroid. Balancing your macronutrient is key. Okay, So we've covered autoimmune and thyroid health. But the benefits of keto don't stop there. Improved brain function, check. Stable blood sugar levels, check. Increased energy, double check. Here are just a few more reasons people are turning to keto. Lower risk of type 2 diabetes, better gut health thanks to reduced sugar intake, enhanced mental clarity and focus, fewer cravings, and appetite control. Keto has even been linked to improved heart health by lowering triglycerides and boosting HDL, the good cholesterol. So basically, keto helps your body work the way it was designed to, efficiently, cleanly, and without constant inflammation. So are you ready to give keto a try? Here's how to get started. Set your macros. Aim for 70% fat, 20% protein, and 10% carbs. Stock up on healthy fats. Think avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Ditch the carbs. Say goodbye to bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. Hydrate and replenish electrolytes. Keto can deplete minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. So stay on top of these. Listen to your body. Everyone's journey is different, so adjust as needed. A great beginner meal would be grilled salmon, a big leafy green salad, and a side of avocado. Delicious, nutritious, and completely keto-friendly. So there you have it. The keto diet isn't just about weight loss. It's about transforming your health, reducing inflammation, and giving your body the tools to heal from within. If this video has inspired you, hit that button to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. And let me know in the comments, have you tried keto? What health changes have you noticed? Let's start a conversation. Until next time, my friend, take care and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.